Hi, welcome to our video introducing the P-Phones that we are very excited to receive in the UK office, first place within Europe. My name's Lauren. I am the account manager for the UK region for Sangoma. Now, as you can see in front of me, I have the box here. Super exciting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you about the phone, what you receive within the box and how to set it up. It's all super easy. So, let's open this one up. Ta-da! So, a little bit of documentation there, put that to one side. We've then got the base, which is not too heavy, but super sturdy, as you can see. We've then got the receiver. You take this out, put that to one side. Nice modern design. Hello. Put that one there. And then underneath this little bit, if I turn it over, you've got the stand. Put that on there. The cord or curly cord. Take that one out. Ta-da! Like so. And then the Ethernet cable. I'm going to move the box to one side and take this one out. Like so. And put that aside. So, to build. Super easy. We're literally going to connect the stand to the phone base. And you've got two levels here, depending on how high you want it. Put that in there. Done. Receiver. Attached to the curly cord in the back here. Click, done. Sounds good. And then plug in at the back. All easily marked, so you can't really get it wrong. And then you just need to obviously attach the Ethernet, which, ta-da, I've got it already. Pop this into the back. 1 second, twist that around. And you should see the light pop up. Power is in. And if you give it a couple of seconds, the screen will start to load up. Now obviously we haven't configured this to a PBX, so it won't be ready. But I'm going to come a bit closer to show you. And you'll see it just starting up, and it'll be, first off, there'll be a little error message, because obviously it's not configured and it can't receive anything at the moment. And that is the P-Phone.
Okay, so we've got the phone out the box. I've showed you how to assemble it, which is super easy. Now let's run through the features of the phone. It comes with a 2.4-inch colour screen, which for an IP entry-level phone, I think this is amazing. There really is very little phones at this cost level that offer a colour screen. Most of them are black and white. Modern design. And it's solid, and it really is, it is solid. Having played around with it today, got it out and assembled it, it's not too big, it's not too small, it's not too heavy, it's not too light, it's just right actually. Easy enough to sit and have a good conversation and feel comfortable. It's not going to weigh your hand down. 2 SIP accounts, headset and an EHS support. But the most surprising thing, and I think one of the second standout uniqueness of this is it has 2 Kensington lock ports, which is a fantastic piece if you're looking to get some phones into schools or hospitals, dentists, those kind of situations, and you want to lock that phone onto a desk or something, then this is the phone for you. Now, I know there are many customers out there that are going to want this phone, and we have them in stock in the UK. So do get out there, do get ordering. Get to know the phone yourself. I'm sure you will love it as much as we do. Hence, we are super proud to be launching this in Europe and the UK. The details are on the screen on how to get hold of them. Do contact us direct at Sangoma for any questions, or contact your local reseller. If you don't have one, then contact our site, the reseller locator form, and that will direct you to your nearest reseller. Any questions though, don't be afraid to contact us. And I'll be speaking to you soon. Thank you. Bye.